There we go. All right, there we go. Let's go. Let's see how this thing reacts. We're in such a bullish trend right now. I can't really take any trades to the downside. So I'm just waiting to see how this reacts. And hopefully it will react well. All right. Hopefully I can't get my mic to sound louder. I don't know why. Okay, so we create a new high. This thing just continuously moves up. I don't want to really counter turn trade that, but what a rejection. Here's the issue. I do believe we're just breaking this line. Oh my God. Hopefully we can get an entry. I don't have that long today. I've already taken one trade that I got stopped out for half my position size. On the other account, I'm passing. Okay, there's a rejection. See, the issue is I'm at an area where I don't really want to take a trade. I might look at gold to see if there's anything going on at gold. I really don't see. Oh God, this is fun. It's consolidation, man. Grabbed by one tick. Yeah, gold's not even going to be an option today. Sorry, not interested. This is a fake out. That's going to come down again. You might get an entry. Oh God. This was the original setup right here. No setup. Did leave a gap, I think. We're hitting an order block right now. I don't know how convinced I am that it's going to break straight up. Also, this is way off. Let's see how this reacts. I do technically have a bullish setup right here. This is a gap, so if we either hold this gap or if we could break back above it on this candle, that would be ideal. Whatever we do, we don't want to see a retest on this gap. Let's see how this reacts. We're just holding it. Oh, we broke straight down, so we changed the direction of the trend. Okay, so this might actually be a setup right here. I'm still bullish overall. Grab liquidity, see if we could get a setup here, or if we reject. We fell off that, so that means we're coming down lower if we reject off here. Oh, yeah. Strong move down. Man, this is going to be a strong, strong rejection. Should have taken that entry right here. This rejection right here. That would have been a good trade. Oh my god, that would have been an amazing trade. This didn't retest either of these. Last area I'm looking at is somewhere between here to see if it holds. Oh, that would have been this would have been an amazing trade, and that's not even a. I just got in at the start of this rejection. Would have been a great trade. 1 to 2. Coming all the way back down. I'll be honest, we could probably come even lower than what I marked right there. Most likely we'll come even lower than what I marked right there. Trend, first level, second level, fell to hold that level. Could probably come down to here. We failed to break above the high, even tap above the high. Okay, we created a higher low here, so we did reverse the trend. Temporary retest here. Still bearish, so I gotta be careful on how we react here. Holding the range, potentially a continuation up. We hold this. Might take it and sell. Sell for 10.
Order filled.
Planning a break of the structure here. What am I risking? 190. I don't actually know if I like that much. This could definitely retest higher. But I'll let this move. It's just gonna move lower. Draw my take profit.
Order filled.
There you go. We'll take that. It's a good little trade there. I think I might have gotten a little bit less than I wanted to, but I'm okay with that. Looks like we're holding this area, so potentially a further retest higher. Maybe even into this gap. Yep. Rejection, instant rejection. Still believe this could continue higher. This is a fake out to the showing some strength, maybe. A second. I entered this because we failed to hold this range right here. And we're already showing a lot of weakness, so I entered that sell position right there because of that. Okay, good entry. Limit buy for 5. You get that entry. All it did was tap into it. That sucks. We should have gone in the other entry, so the other one should be in. Yeah. The other one should be in the trade. 92 to get 312 here. I actually don't know if I'm going to aim that high, but maybe I will. Should be I believe this should be a larger retest higher. What I am going to do to protect this position is I'm going to move this to break even, though, in case it decides it doesn't want to continue this strength upwards. Just let this move. If this works out, cool. I try to move my stop to break even at half position size at a 1-to-1. Especially with these setups where you want to see strength and you're playing against the trend. This should show me a lot of strength. The top side. You don't want to really see this fail early on. You want to see this continue up and grab some liquidity, then continue back down. Playing this a little bit safer probably is a little bit better. And then trailing the take profit. Okay, well, it looks like we're failing here. It's okay. If I get stopped out, that's fine. I should get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah. At break even. We failed to break above the oh, who knows? Maybe this will give me another entry. I don't think I want to hold this trade. I'm so glad I caught that. We failed to break up here. This should grab this bottom right here. This is... Oh. Held... We broke above. And then failed. Change the structure.
Order filled.
I think I'm going to take the risk here. I'll add to the position if it comes down to here. on this account. This one I'm trying to be a little bit safer with because this is a one of them's a one I bought for the challenge, and the challenge I ended up trading on the wrong account. So I'm being a little bit riskier in that one. This one I'm being a little bit safer because this is a I don't have a no activation fee for this one, so I play a little bit safer here.
Order filled.
Okay, it's good rejection. Let's see if we can move up to here. It's the only trade I'll take today if this works out for this one. I'm not that confident on this, but I don't mind it that much. I actually don't think I should be trading this. I might close this account if it doesn't hold the strength. I mean, close this trade, not the account. I want to see some aggressive strength come out of this. Yeah, I'm going to close it. Oh, there you go. That's what I want to see.
Order filled.
Close that. Let me manage the other position. Sorry.
Order filled.
Nice. Good trades. Good trades. Good trades. Good trades. Good trades. Good trades. Very good trades. All right. Well, here's the final stats for today, guys. Short stream, I know, but I got stuff to do. Don't need to stay on the account if I got stuff to do. I should really start making these into videos. Okay, so that gives me a little bit of insight on how this looks on my end. So that looks there. Everything looks good on that end. This needs to move over slightly left. Slightly left. This can go a little bit bigger. I don't know how to make this clearer. Here's both the accounts where I'm currently at. These are with separate trades as well, so these are not the same trades for both accounts. So I've been doing pretty well on these, slowly climbing. Here's my statistics. Win rate, profit. I remember I trade every single day. Here's my little chart thing. Kind of break-even days. Here's my weekly thing. You see a lot of trades. Yes, I do take a lot of trades. These were way more trades than I should have taken. This is not as many trades as I actually take. These are like days where I take 2 to 3 trades, okay? I remember I'm on like a time frame that moves in the 15-second. This was a day where I should have not taken as many trades as I was. I was addicted to this day. I should have stopped. It ended up working out, but these are the days I usually take 3 to 4 trades within 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, because I see that many setups. This was one contract. I don't know how that worked. For that's with that account. This was, you could tell. So this is my second week. My first week was when I was doing that challenge. This week's been going a lot better with this one. What's this one at? This one's at a way better win rate. 68% win rate right now. I do need to work on my risk to reward. I feel like I'm entering at a good risk to reward, but I feel like I'm exiting some days a lot quicker. But we're getting there. We're almost there. We're halfway through on both accounts. do the challenge. I need to speed this one up a little bit more. This account needs to be sped up a lot more, actually. There's a huge issue with this one. This one I only have 10 days left, or else I'm just gonna have to YOLO it. Because I'm not repaying a fee I could pay to start a new account. I'm not paying another $100 for an account, sorry. Alright, you guys have a great day.